In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your resume on LinkedIn using the mobile app. If you've applied to jobs on LinkedIn before, there's a good chance your resume is saved in the app for quick applications. Today, we'll replace an outdated resume, remove anything you no longer need, and make sure your most current version is ready to go, all from your phone. Start by opening the LinkedIn mobile app. On the main screen, look to the top left and tap your profile icon. This opens your account menu. From there, tap Settings. We're heading into the area that controls how LinkedIn handles your data and job searches. So next, tap Data and Privacy. In the Data and Privacy section, scroll until you see Job Seeking Preferences. This is where LinkedIn groups the options related to applying for jobs. Go ahead and tap Job Application Settings. This page manages the resumes you've uploaded for applications, especially for features like Easy Apply. Here you'll see your saved resume or resumes. If the one on file is outdated, delete it. Removing older versions helps prevent sending the wrong file with a new application. After deleting an old resume, upload your newest one. LinkedIn will let you select a file from your device, so choose the updated resume you want employers to see. If you keep multiple versions for different roles, review them here and remove any that you no longer plan to use. Keeping only the versions you actually need makes applying faster and less confusing. A few quick tips while you're here. Before you upload, make sure your file is clean, professional, and easy to read, ideally saved as a PDF so the formatting stays consistent. Double-check that your contact details are current and that your most recent experience and skills are included. If you're keeping more than one version, label them clearly on your device so you pick the right one when uploading. Once you've uploaded your updated resume and tidied up any extras, you're all set. The next time you apply for a job through LinkedIn, the correct resume will be available in your application settings, ready to attach with just a tap. And that's how to update your resume on LinkedIn using the mobile app. If this walkthrough helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more practical how-tos, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching and good luck with your applications.